Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to see who I liked on Instagram on iPhone. Watch this video until the end. Write to me whether you have done it my way or not. Put likes, write comments, and let's begin. We go to Instagram. Further open the profile on which we want to view who we liked or commented. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Here we find the tab Your Activity. Here we see likes, comments, tags, stickers. We choose likes. Then we can choose the period. We can see the newest likes or the oldest. We can also choose the period for a week, for a day, for a month, and for a year. And we can see some publications, video reels, where we have become likes. And if we don't like it, we can go and remove that like. And we can go to some other publication, and we can also remove a like, and that's it. This is a simple way to see who you liked in your old profile. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you still have any questions, please write in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.